Okay, people, so this is what we're driving in. Oh my lord. It is not fun. But this is our snowstorm that we are hit with. We had to have the fire department bring people into work. It doesn't do any like justice on camera of how bad it is, but it is pretty bad. So I called work and I told them I can get in, and if they need me, I will come. And they were like, yes, please come. Oh my God, look at this poor soul walking. Oh my God, wait a minute. Where are you going, boo? Oh, oh my God, what is wrong with these guys? Oh my goodness. Oh gosh.
And this was supposed to be back down south, and it's not. It just came right back up for vengeance.
I figured I would share this little thing with these guys. Oh my goodness, this is not fun driving. Oh, you should put it right up on here, honey. Oh my gosh. It doesn't do that well on camera if he's got, but it is like a pure freaking whiteout. I sweated too. Oh gosh. So anyway, I am headed into work so I can go and help out them. At least I didn't have to have the fire department bring me in. I'll save the fire department for people that actually absolutely need them. You know, I'm fortunate enough to have a wonderful husband. Hello, babies.
Hello.
That he can bring me in. Buddy, you are going to get stuck. Oh, what are you doing? Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. This is just horrid.
And this has been going on since Tuesday.
Yeah, this has been our drive since Tuesday. Is that a plow stuck? Oh my goodness, it looks like we got a plow stuck.
No, waiting for the other plow to plow.
My goodness. If only Tim Hortons were open, my day would be brighter. I'm kidding! No, I'm not. Yes, there's a blizzard. Please make sure Tim Hortons is open. Thank you. I don't know if things are open, but we're obviously driving with our hazard lights on. You know, so people can see us. It is not fun. So anyway, if anybody else, you know, in any other cities or whatever is getting plowed by this storm, I know Canada, I think, had it. Did Canada have it, honey? Yeah, so
yeah.
you live in Canada, God bless you. Oh my goodness, there's what open gas station?
No,
Do we have gas?
Yes. Don't worry, my Apple is open.
Oh,
and go figure, 42 years ago, as this week, it was our blizzard of 77.
Yes, 42 years ago to the date, our snowstorm started, which was the blizzard of 77. So I just wanted to do this little upload and talk to you guys. Sorry, I got the camera face backwards, but you guys don't want to see my face. You really don't. Well, maybe I'm kidding. So anyway, no drama. This is just like a, oh my God, we're trying to drive in the snow, and woo, listen to it.
Wow, McDonald's is open.
Oh my God, McDonald's is open. Holy shit, we can get coffee from there. I take McDonald's coffee later. Not now, later.
I better get it now because who the hell knows it'll be open later.
Don't listen to us. I can't believe McDonald's is open. That's a state of an emergency, people. If there's a state of an emergency, McFaddles will be open to serve your fattening needs. To ensure that you continue to stay a fat ass, McDonald's will be open. This is a public service announcement. Oh, I can't. There's Ho-Ho's closed. Why are you not open? You know I have an addiction. Damn you. Anyway, so lighthearted, a little bit of funniness in the seriousness, but anyway, I really do hope these guys have a wonderful day and stay safe and warm wherever you may be. Unless you're in Florida, your butt's already warm. Turkeys. And maybe California. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't want to run this bed. Oh, I can't even see. We can't. It's like a whiteout. All right, guys. So I'm gonna upload this, and God bless you all, and have a wonderful day.